In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ClickUp project. We'll walk through a clean, simple flow you can repeat anytime you kick off new work. And I'll share helpful tips along the way so your setup stays organized from day one. Start by opening your browser and heading to clickup.com. Log in with the email and password you use to sign up. Passwords are case sensitive, so type carefully. If you ever forget yours, use the reset option on the login page. After logging in, you'll land in your ClickUp workspace. Think of it as your digital office, where all your work lives. From here, go to your overview or home area, then open your spaces. Spaces are like departments or big folders that separate different areas of work. Choose the space that fits this project. If you need a new one, add it now. Pick a clear name and an icon that makes it easy to recognize at a glance. Then continue and confirm to create the space. Inside the relevant space, click the plus button and select Folder. A folder groups lists, docs, and more, and it will act as the container for your project. Type a meaningful project name, be descriptive so it's easy to find later, and click Create to finalize. With your project folder ready, begin adding tasks. Type the names of the tasks that represent the key pieces of work and click Save. Add as many tasks as you need. Make each one specific so your team isn't confused. Use action verbs, include the outcome, and avoid vague phrasing. Specific tasks reduce back and forth and speed up execution. Next, tailor how you view your work. Click Views. Choose the layout that suits you, like List for Details or Board for Workflow, and click Apply to confirm. If prompted again, click Apply once more to lock in those view settings. Pick what helps you scan progress fastest. Now set priorities so everyone knows what matters most. Open a task and choose the appropriate priority level. Selecting High is a great example of how urgent items stand out, but pick the level that truly reflects the task's importance. Add timing to stay on track. Adjust the start and due dates using quick options like this weekend or 2 weeks for fast scheduling, or open the calendar and pick exact dates that match your plan. And that's it. You've created a ClickUp project, added tasks, saved your work, set your preferred view, and dialed in priorities and timelines. From here, you can assign owners, add descriptions or attachments, and keep refining as your project moves forward. Thanks for watching, and enjoy managing your projects more clearly and confidently in ClickUp.